Hello. The subject of the video today is how to replace constant force balances in vinyl windows. Now in vinyl windows there are typically three different types of balance systems. There's going to be a constant force balance like we have here. You can have a spiral balance, or you'll have a blocking tackle balance. Now this video is only about how to replace constant force balances in vinyl windows. And there's many different ways to skin a cat, and we're going to talk about 5. So first off, if you're watching this video, you probably already know what a balance is. You're probably a professional. Maybe you're an installer who needs to do a repair on a job. Maybe you're just a super do-it-yourselfer and your windows haven't worked in a long time. But so let's talk about what a balance is real quick, and then we'll jump right into how to replace balances. So what is a balance? A balance is a mechanical component that is used to carry the weight of the sash. Now, there are balances on the left and the right side of windows, I would think typically, except in maybe have some older wood windows. But balances, that's what they do. They help carry the weight of the sash. So a constant force balance is installed and runs in the channel of the jamb, in the vertical, well, basically in the side of your window. And the way it works is there's like an elliptical part, okay, on the bottom of the balance. Or these are balance coils. This is the entire balance, and this is called a balance shoe. And this part right here is called a pivot bar, and it's typically what attaches the sash to the balance. So the way it works is this is like an oval shaped, and the balance is going to run, or the balance shoe and the sash are going to run up and down. They'll go up and down. And but if you tilt your window out, which most high quality replacement windows have that feature, a tilt out feature, tilt in feature for easy cleaning, what you'll see is that when the window is tilted out, it engages the balance shoe, and it acts kind of like an emergency brake. It goes from the vertical position to a horizontal position, and it just gets wider, and it presses tight against the channel walls. So that's what makes it go up and down, and that's important. I'll show you why that's important later. But there are different reasons why balances go bad. Maybe your windows are just old. Maybe they were manufactured wrong, and the wrong weight of balances were installed, or maybe just a component was weak and it had to be broken. And it was broken, so now it needs to be replaced. So we're going to talk about a couple different styles and how to replace them. And you see some tools here, and we're going to go from most expensive to least expensive method. Now you might actually have the type of vinyl window that has a notch cut out at the very top of the jamb or the very bottom of the jamb, at which point you'll just unscrew a constant force balance. It'll slip down, or you'll pull it up and you just replace it and screw it in place, and then you're done. Now that of course just requires a screwdriver. You don't need any of these things. But if you've got to make some repairs out on the job site and you're not that lucky, well, here's some of the tools that you're going to need. This is called a jamb spreader. This is I bought this jamb spreader from a company called Swissco. I got them online. This pair is going to cost you, I think with shipping, I don't know, somewhere in the neighborhood of $150. Then we've got a heat gun. I got a nice variable speed, variable temperature heat gun, and of course you can pick this up any hardware store. I've got a balance cutout tool. That's what this is called. I'm not sure where you can pick these up. I actually got these from a manufacturer. These were sent to me, and I've used these repeatedly. These are pretty good. It makes for a very clean cut, but if you don't have 150, 50 connections at a window company, more than likely you're going to have to use this bad boy. Just a utility knife, a sharp utility knife. Now, this is going to be, this is going to leave absolutely no, anyone can do this. This requires a very little amount of skill, and it's kind of fast. This requires a higher level of skill, and this is also very fast, but there's an element of danger that homeowners and or maybe you yourself just don't want to take. These two different ways here, this is a cleaner finish, and this you just have to take your time. And these, you know, you just need a steady hand with these two and some good judgment. So that's basically it for the intro, and now I will show you, we'll go from the easiest to the most technical in terms of replacing balances.